This video will show you how to use FindHub to locate and secure your lost Android device. FindHub is automatically enabled on any device where you've added a Google account. To begin, you can use the FindHub app on another Android phone or tablet. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Or you can use a web browser by going to android.com/find. Next, you'll need to sign in. If your own device is lost and you're using another one of your Android devices, select Continue as your name. If you're using a friend's device, select Sign in as guest. Once you're in the app, select the lost device to view its location. If you can't view its location, there are two other options for locating it. First, play sound. This will make your device ring at full volume for 5 minutes, even if it was set to silent or do not disturb. Use this if you believe the device is nearby. Next, mark as lost. This option will lock your lost device with the PIN, swipe pattern, or password you've set up. If you haven't set up a PIN, pattern, or password, you can set one now. It may also log you out of your Google account and remove any payment cards you had saved in Google Wallet. Tap Continue. Enter the contact number and message. These will appear on your lock screen so the person who finds your device can contact you. Then, tap Mark as lost. When someone finds your device, they will see your message and have the option to contact you. Once you get your phone back, unlock it using your PIN, swipe pattern, or password. On some devices, your phone will automatically be marked as found. If you never locate your missing phone, as a last resort to protect your privacy, factory reset device. This is a permanent action that deletes all data from the device. After erasing, you will no longer be able to use FindHub to locate the device. If you can't find your lost or stolen device, visit the Android Help Center to learn more about how to secure your Google account.